question. Do you live near a cell tower? Or have you noticed new ones popping up in your neighborhood? Here's the truth no one's telling you. These towers aren't just sitting there quietly. They're blasting out radio frequency radiation 24/7. And your body? It's feeling the effects, whether you realize it or not. Studies show people living within just 300 to 400 meters of a cell tower deal with way higher rates of things like headaches, sleep problems, memory issues, mood swings, and even increased cancer risks. This isn't conspiracy, it's real science. There's research from places like Germany and France showing triple the cancer risk and measurable damage to cognitive health the closer you are to a tower. And what's even more concerning, these studies were done before 5G, before millimeter waves. The radiation from 4G and earlier networks was already linked to serious health issues, but 5G operates at much higher frequencies using millimeter waves that interact with the body in entirely new ways. These waves penetrate the skin, increase cellular stress, and may amplify the damage we're already seeing from EMFs. Your body runs on tiny electrical signals, and when you're being constantly bombarded with man-made EMFs from these towers, your cells get thrown off balance. We're talking things like disrupted calcium channels, oxidative stress, DNA damage, and chronic inflammation. Basically, it becomes harder for your body to repair and stay healthy when it's under constant attack from these invisible forces. So, if there's a tower near your home, it's not just an eyesore. It's a daily invisible stressor on your body and mind. And with 5G rolling out and more towers going up, this is something we all need to be paying attention to. If you want to learn more about how EMFs are impacting our health, and more importantly, how to protect yourself and your family, then be sure to follow the EMF Project. We're on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Rumble. I'm sharing the real info, backed by science, that no one else seems to be talking about.